How to make a Snapchat profile public. First things first, if you haven't downloaded Snapchat, make sure that you'll be downloading the latest version as possible from the Google Play Store. Now, if you already downloaded, now simply access your Snapchat application and make sure that you logged into your account. Now, what you want to do next is just press these option here at the top left portion of your screen that will take you out to your user profile. Now, the next thing to do is just scroll down a little bit until you find this option that says add to spotlight. Tap on that. Then here just simply choose on any pictures you want and just tap on send to. Now what you want to do from here is choose on my story.public. Now once you have successfully shared it, you might want to go all the way back to your user profile settings right here. So as you can see below your username, there is two options. There's going to be my account and public profile. You just simply tap on public profile, and this is where you can post stories and photos and all for public. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can make a Snapchat profile public.